In a 4th of July celebration with jets flying overhead and soldiers parachuting through the air, President Donald Trump minimized the threat of the coronavirus. With cases surging across many states, Trump said the latest numbers were promising.
We have tested almost 40 million people. By so doing, we show cases, 99% of which are totally harmless.
Are 99% of COVID-19 cases totally harmless? Hi, I'm John Greenberg with PolitiFact, and it's time for a Truth-O-Meter Minute. Let's be clear, there's a lot about this virus we still don't know. That said, there are no numbers that back up Trump's claim. He spoke in terms of cases. The CDC, that's the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, shows that since the pandemic began, we've had over 2.7 million cases and over 128,000 deaths. That's where the numbers stood on July 3rd, the day before Trump's speech. That gives you a case death rate of 4.7%. Let me repeat, that's not the final word on how deadly the virus is. But Trump didn't focus just on deaths. He said 99% of cases were harmless. Or put it this way, the virus hurts just 1% of the people it touches. So let's broaden this out and look at how many people the virus sends to the hospital. With numbers from the COVID tracking project, we can see the fraction of new cases that end up needing more intense medical care. At the start of June, about 8% of new daily cases ended up in the hospital. The percentage fell, but it still sits at 4%. That's 4 times higher than Trump's 1%. Public health researchers also see reports of mild cases that seem to lead to problems later on. The list includes chronic fatigue, fevers, and bacterial sepsis, a potentially dangerous condition that comes when the body's immune system is thrown out of balance. Donald Thea, professor of global health at Boston University, said Trump's figure is, quote, wildly inaccurate, unquote. We're still learning more about this virus every day. We don't know how many people have been infected, and if we don't know that, we can't say exactly how dangerous it is. But the numbers we do have don't back up Trump's claim. Time now for the rating. Trump claimed that 99% of COVID-19 cases are harmless. We rated that false. That's it for this Truth-O-Meter Minute. If you want to see more fact checks about coronavirus, go to our website, PolitiFact.com/coronavirus. And be sure to sign up to see more videos like this.